Hi, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a privacy mask on your security system. Whether you are using an XMeye DVR or NVR, this process is essential to block sensitive areas like a neighbor's window or public spaces, ensuring your system stays within legal privacy limits. Let's get started. First, right-click anywhere on the screen to bring up the floating menu and select Main Menu. If your device asks for a password, enter it now and click OK. This will take you to the main control panel. From the main menu, click on the System button and then click on Display. This is a versatile menu where you can change channel names, choose which info to display on screen, adjust menu transparency, and even change the output resolution. It's also where we find the privacy settings we need. In the display window, look for the channel option and select the camera you want to edit. Now, check the box labeled Region Cover to enable the Privacy Mask feature. You will see 4 small checkboxes appear, numbered 1 to 4. Each one represents a mask you can add. Check the boxes for as many masks as you need. Once you've selected the number of masks, click the Set button. The channel will open in full screen. To resize a mask, click and hold the edges with the left mouse button and drag it. To move the mask, click and hold the center of the box and drag it to the desired location. When you're done, right-click once to exit the editor and return to the display screen. If you want to add masks to other cameras, just change the channel and repeat the same process. Enable Region Cover, select the number of masks, and click Set. You can do this for every camera on your system. After you have configured all your channels, don't forget to click OK to save all your settings. The black masks are now active on your live view and recordings. Before you go, keep in mind that this channel is packed with tutorials about security cameras and XMeye devices. We are planning a massive series of videos covering every single setting in these menus, showing you how to troubleshoot common issues and sharing pro tips to increase the lifespan of your DVR, NVR, or IP camera. If you want to master your security system and stay protected, make sure to subscribe right now so you don't miss our upcoming guides. If this video helped you, please hit the like button. Check the description for the XMeye app links. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.